Hi everyone, Dr. David Cull here with Synergy Wellness in New York City to show you how to correct your posture, okay? So a lot of us, we're all kind of, our postures typically like this. This is the upper cross syndrome, forward shoulders, forward tilted head. Now, a lot of us want to pull our shoulders back and stick our chest out. If you've tried that and you're watching this, it hurts, even for me. It hurts after 2 minutes, 3, 4 minutes of holding your shoulders back. That's not the way to do it. Okay, you're gonna get pain in between your shoulders and it's just not feasible. It's not gonna work for you, okay, especially long term. And posture is something we need to do for hours and hours and hours throughout the day. So here's what I learned ever since I was 15 and I started Alexander Technique, and then even through chiropractic college. Pretend like there's a plumb line, like a wire going down. It's going through the vertex of the head. That's the top of the skull, but in the back right here, okay? So you want to pretend like there's a plumb line or a wire going straight through the vertex of the skull, down the back, right through your spine. So picture it going right through your spinal column, all the way down to your spine. And picture whenever you want to improve your posture, what you're going to do is you're going to imagine someone pulling that wire and elongating your spine up towards the sky. And what happens is, if you watch me, it's going to elongate my spine. So I'm pulling my spine up, elongating it, and then my chin comes in automatically and my shoulders pull back. Holy cow, what do you know? I don't even have to force my shoulders back. I wish you guys out there could feel the muscles in my back right now. They're completely relaxed. So again, we're normally like this with a crease here in the neck at forward tilted shoulders. And what we're gonna do is elongate the spine up and up and up. The chin comes in. And when you do that, the shoulders will automatically pull back and you won't even have to think about it or get tired or exhausted. That's how you correct your posture. But you have to practice it throughout the day while you're sitting, while you're standing, and even while you're going out for a jog or a run. This posture can be done. Try to think of it throughout the day. If you have to, give yourself a reminder every half an hour on your phone for a couple of weeks until you get it in your head and you're constantly practicing that, and then it becomes habit. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe because we got 4 videos that come out every week. 4, yes, on all different healthcare topics. So if you have a healthcare topic you want me to talk about, comment below and maybe we'll do it. Thanks again for tuning in. Appreciate you.